I can rest on your unchanging grace. The waters rise and the earth break way. I'll be dancing in the rain. My feet are on the rock. Ooh, ooh. I can hear the water. I don't really know the words to that song very well yet. It's kind of cute for an outhouse. You can also get water here. I mean, I would always boil it, but this water thing is tricky. Let me see if it still works. It will start flowing. Yeah, that works. Okay. And here's the outhouse. Yep, still here. It's got like an octagonal shape or something. It's kind of cute. Look at the little chimney for the poop steamers. Or you have one of them steamy ones. Alright, so that's 6. This is 6 right here. Okay, so I just gotta find 5. So this is 6. There's the tent pad right next to this other. That's site. Is that site 3? Or maybe that's 5. Let's see. Yeah, that's 5. Okay, so we found both of them. Alright, so let me go in order. This is 5. Here is the fire pit. It's got the grill plate. You can close it. Alright, there's a little hanger still there. Tent pad. I kind of like this tent pad. It seems like it's in pretty good shape. There's your view of the lake. But it's like through another campsite. So I don't think I like that. There's the table, picnic table. So 5 is alright, but I don't know. I don't like how the other campsite is blocking your view of the lake. So let's see.